Welcome back to Day 8 of Python Mastery by Edulexis. Today, we move from math to logic. We're diving into comparison operators and the foundation of decision-making, Booleans. Programs need to ask questions: is a password correct? Is a user logged in? Today, you'll learn how to write those questions. A Boolean is a data type with only two values, true or false. Note the capital letters Python is strict here. Think of it like a light switch. Under the hood, computers see true as 1 and false as 0. This simple binary is the heart of all software logic. Our first operator is equal to, written as double equals equals equals. Beginners often use a single equals, but in Python, single equals assigns a value, while double equals equals asks a question. If we print 10 equals 10, Python answers with true. Next is not equal to, shown as equals. The exclamation mark means or not. If we compare Python with a capital P to Python with a lowercase p, Python returns true for inequality because it is case sensitive. They are not the same. Now for the greater than operator. Imagine an app checking a user's age. If age equals 20 and we check age greater than 18, Python gives us a true. This is the alligator mouth symbol. It always points toward the larger value. Conversely, less than checks if the left side is smaller. If we check 5 less than 2, Python returns false. These operators are the building blocks for filtering data or setting limits in your code. Sometimes we need to include the number itself. For that, we use greater than or equal to equals or less than or equal to equals 40. Note the order, bracket first, then equals. Let's look at a pro tip. Python can compare different types of numbers. If you check 5.0 equals 5, it returns true because the mathematical value is identical, even though 1 is a float and 1 is an integer. Let's build a minilogic, balance equals 150 and minimum equals 200. If we run print, balanced minimum, we get true. In a real app, this true would trigger a low balance notification to the user. This is how automation begins. Common mistakes include using equals to less than instead of less than or equal to, or forgetting the capital letters in true and false. Also, remember you can't compare a string to an integer. Python won't know if apple is greater than 10. Today you mastered the gears of logic. Practice these operators with the exercises in the description. On day 9, we'll use these to build if-else statements. This is Edulexis bridging the gap to industry standards. See you tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.